How to log in S Bank online banking step by step. So what you're gonna have to do is just go ahead inside your preferred browser and search for Anki. So once you go ahead and do that, you should be able to get that option directly. So scroll down until you find the official bank website, which should be this one. So the login, it's very simple, and if you are having problems to the language, you can press on the top right option, go to the translate button and just translate into English. And as you can see, the login button is right in the top right option. So press on login. So once you do that, you will be able to identify yourself with S Mobile. So a 6 to 8 digit long number sequence, and you can check your forgotten username free of charge under the Me section of S Mobile. So send an identification request to S Mobile using your username, and just go ahead and press on this button so that you will be able to log in. You do have the with the key figure table option down here as well if you want, but as long as you follow this process over here, you will be able to log into your S Bank online. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.